Whilst feeding wild birds, something very extraordinary happens. Blub, 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 blub. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Yum, yum, yum. Pigeon parties are awesome, dude. But what they don't know is that this kind of feast attracts attention from a nearby predator.
Incoming!
This young, inexperienced wild fox has very poor stealthiness abilities, therefore has to settle for second best, which happens to be wild birdseed food.
Anna, let her out!
If there's one thing that I've taught Carla and Jano, the Pomeranian and Yorkshire Terrier, is that playing hide and seek is a great tactic to see if they want to come back for more. The fox will try the same tactic in making you think that they've gone away when really they'll be back as soon as possible. My camera was actually able to capture the fox's thinking process. Here it is.
I'm not a fox, I'm a bird. I'm not a fox because I am a bird. I'm not a fox, I'm a bird. I'm not a fox because I am a bird.
Get off my land, or I will sweep you off my feet. I will sweep you off your feet, I mean, with my broom, broom, broom. Broom.
I'm still not a fox. I'm a bird. I'm still not a fox because I am a bird. I'm still not a fox because I am a bird. I'm still not a fox because I am a bird. And I've just realized that I have no wings.
I really hope that video made you laugh. My videos are designed to make you smile indeed. Those of you who subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe to your channel as well in return. Thanks for watching.